We're watching a phenomenon of mycoballistics. Mycoballistics means expel of projectile called basidiospores by the gills, by the basidia. The basidia bear sterigma, two or four prongs. In the Termitomyces, they are tetrasterigmate or four-pronged basidia which bear the basidiospores, and they expel it with hydrostatic turgor pressure like a mini rocket. And this mini ballistic procedure expels the basidiospores, and these basidiospores get deposited because they can't move with wind or rainfall, because this is a closed room and it is not possible for basidiospores to disperse. So they get deposited on the plastic film and then I can study them after drying. So this is the procedure of clean, beautiful, nice procedure of taking mushroom spore prints on a thin plastic film, and you can preserve this, and everything can be done with this because it can be directly cut and mounted and visualized on microscope. And the spores can also be harvested by washing, or whatever destructive technique can also be used for study of the spore prints. So this is the next stage, that is the observation of the first phase of the spore print, whether it is complete, because the spore deposition time in terms of our standardized procedure which we used in 2004-5 at Goa University was 12 to 18 hours, and that was studied by my MSc research student Dr. Paramjit Kaur, who is in Vancouver now, Canada, working in a private pharma company. She found that for Agaricus bisporus, that is the commercial strain of button mushrooms cultivated in Goa, the spore deposition time which we fixed as SDT is 12 to 18 hours. So that's why I want to wait for 12 and up to 18 hours. After 12 hours, I will remove this and perhaps place the mushroom on a different space. This space is empty. So this mushroom I can put here, this mushroom I can put here, this mushroom I can put, and try to get another spore print, so that all the spores are discharged by these mature fruit bodies, that is the cap, and that is their function in nature also, that then they autolyze, they decompose, and sometimes if already the larvae have laid the eggs, then the flies have laid the eggs, then the larvae can crawl out also. But I think since these are hand-picked specimens, chances are very less, but I'm not very sure. I expect some larvae to crawl out after 12 hours, and I will have to remove them and preserve the spore print by gentle drying.